Hello, baby.
Hello, butt.
Your butt.
Your butt.
Look, I'm picking your nose. The kids at home will. Ouch! The kids at home are gonna be like, she's picking his nose. Can I pick Lydia's nose? Oh, I'm gonna pick the horse's nose. Okay. So Logan, there's a special surprise here for you.
I can find it.
Are you gonna find it? No. What? Look what we got! What? Look what we got! Isn't that awesome? Oh, mine! Actually, it's all of ours. So we're gonna come here at this cool park. And
Wait, he's Ice Ultra Loco, Ice Dragon.
He can't make up his mind. He's confused. Sometimes it's really hot. Sometimes he's cold.
Fire Ice.
This is Fire Zombie.
Zombie Magnet. And Megalodon Fire.
Cool.
Doesn't have the twisties though.
Are you gonna help Lydia? Just don't fall off the rock, you guys.
Mine? I got the mine. Okay, mine.
Yeah? Well, what one is your favorite, Liddy?
Please say.
And stuff on it.
Good. Please show out.
Wow, he looks like he's cold.
He did it!
What do you think, Lynn? Do you like this guy too? So this side is the hot, and his tire rims are red. And he's blue on this side, and his tire rims are blue. See, he's confused. He doesn't know if he's hot or cold.
Wait, does he move his arms?
Yes, they do move. Cool. Hey, zombie. Here you go, Lid. Look at his scary face. And this is perfect for like Halloween time, isn't it?
Yeah. Because he's scary.
Well, I don't want to go swimming with him. Sure.
I do.
You want to go swimming with Megalodon?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at his fins.
We're done. Look out.
Neat fins.
Just like.
Is that who Lydia's choosing?
Not enough for us.
Yeah, I get one too. Lydia, what one can Mommy have? Can Mommy have one? Oh, she's giving me El Toro Loco. She must know that El Toro is my favorite. And I get a pony. You want your pony? Can I have a different truck then? No, you want it all? Oh, who's racing? They're having a race. It's against Megalodon and Zombie. Who's going to be in the lead? Oh no, up ahead, there's a pony eating grass. Ah! There's a truck coming back! Oh, and following way behind is Gravedigger. Come on, Gravedigger. Whoa, they're jumping over the cracks. They're doing great. Gravedigger, he's doing pretty good too. He's catching up. Oh, it's a ramp. El Toro Loco, you want to shoot the ramp? You got him in the butt. You got Zombie in the butt. Oh, and he missed. He fell. Be careful, Liddy.
I will.
Whoa, I will. There.
Ow.
Oh, he's stuck. How are these guys doing? Oh, they're doing great. They're doing great. Megalodon, oh, it's neck and neck. Megalodon's pulling ahead. He's pulling ahead, just barely. Gravedigger's falling way behind. He might be pooping. Oh, Megalodon's still in the lead. Come on, Zombie. Who do you want at home, kids, to win? Zombie or Megalodon? Or no hope at all of Gravedigger back there. Oh, Gravedigger needs help. Megalodon won! How was it? Oh, well, it was tough. You know, it was neck and neck. I had to give it my all, and just at the last minute, I kicked in my turbo. Oh. And there he goes. He landed on his wheel. This is a good ramp. Here, let me try this ramp. Come on, Gravedigger, make me proud. Ready? Oh, you know what? This isn't smooth. We should try those hills way over there. Or we can have a game of Monster Truck Hide and Go Seek. Monster Truck Hide and Go Seek? Yeah. Lydia, you want to play Monster Truck Hide and Go Seek? Yeah. Logan's going to hide them and we're going to have to find them, okay? So Logan, you go hide them. Okay, so Liddy, Logan's gonna hide. We cannot look. We can't look. Okay, find the monster trucks. Look at there you are. Right there.
Yeah.
Look right here.
Okay.
Oh. He's hiding in the monster truck. We can't look. Can't look. Okay, how many monster trucks are there? There's 5, right? Okay. Do you guys at home see any monster trucks?
And there's like,
Oh, you buried it!
yeah.
Oh, okay. I found Dragon. You want to hold it for me?
Right there.
Okay, don't tell me, don't tell me. Oh, I see one under the piece of wood. Logan, you did a good job of hiding. Okay, you're gonna hold this one. Thank you, assistant. There's 3 more, right? Oh, I see one.
Okay.
Okay, El Toro Loco. You're gonna hold him? Okay.
One more.
There's 2 more. There's Gravedigger and there's Zombie. I hope you remember where you kept them. We need Megalodon and Zombie. This is gonna be tough. Do you guys see any? I see one! Found one! Got Zombie! Okay, so I'm looking for Megalodon. Logan. Really? Where could it be? Do you remember where you put Megalodon? Huh. Okay, I give up. Oh, we found him! Oh, Megalodon, we almost lost you! Should I hide them and you see if you can find them? Okay, I'm gonna hide them. Oh, sail that ship! Okay, I'm going to hide. Are you gonna go with Logan? Okay, I'm gonna hide and you're gonna help with Logan. Cannot look. Okay, you cannot look. I'm gonna hide. Close your eyes. I'm watching you. I see you cheating, both of you. Put one down here. Oh, this is a good spot. Little cavern. Oh, here's a nice little spot right there. Let's see if I can back them up in there. There we go. I see you cheating again. Oh, little cheater. All right, cheaters. Yeah, cheater beaters. Okay, come on, you can get down and look for it now. Are you gonna come out of the hole? No? Oh, he found one right away. You know what? I think you saw me put it there. 2! Oh, that's fast. Put it with the pony, maybe? You want out? Okay. 3. You got 3? That was fast. Okay, there's 2 more. Who's missing? You're cold. You're getting a little bit warmer, but you're still cold. Yeah. I see one from where I am. Getting hotter for sure. Yes! He finds it. 1 more. You are on fire. You're so hot. Oh, now you're getting cold now. Getting cold now. You're on fire, like you're getting hot, but oh, now you're getting cold. Colder. Colder. Oh, you're freezing. You're going the wrong way. Hot is good. No! Oh! You beat my time, you little rascal. Good job. High five. High five. Fist bumps. Thumbs up. We're not doing it. Let's take them over there and rev them. See what happens. Look at this cool place with all these neat little spots to go. Hey. Oh, here's a good ramp. Take them to the top of this one. This is an awesome ramp right here.
Yeah, it is. Not really.
Oh, did you see that? I think it was 2 front flips. Oh, but he didn't land it. Oh. He landed on his wheel. Awesome. Oh, that was awesome. They did really good. I can't believe how well those trucks performed there. Like, they skidded and they rolled, but then they landed on the wheels. They kept going. I think Megalodon would have kept going had the Gravedigger hadn't been in the way. He did not land on his wheels. And I don't know where he went. You gotta go get him. Oh! Oh! We're way on down. Like, that was a huge throw. Oh, cool. They landed on the rock here, Logs. That's a big hill. Can you make it? Can you make it? Yeah, you climbed the hoodoos, buddy. You did pretty good. Oh, no. Did you get your handies?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see your hand. Oh, look at that. They are so dirty. Oh, I caught it. You're going to climb? Okay.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Nice. Okay, can this guy make it down here? I don't know. It's kind of bumpy. Oh no. Oh, they're the same. He did land on his wheels. Awesome. Land on your wheels. Okay, what is happening, Pony? Pony did not land on her wheels.
I'll go get him.
Poor Pony. You stay here. Don't go down there because you could fall. What? Woo! Did you see that twister? It was a twister, Logan. It was a twister. Oh! Got him! Oh, he landed on his wheels, though, Logan. Whoa! Whoa! I almost caught him. He landed on his wheels. He did not land on his wheels. And Pony is not going to land on her wheels. Let's see how many we can get to land on their wheels. Oh, he's going backwards. Did it land on his wheels? It landed on his wheels. Good job. Oh, I caught it. Oh. Lydia's setting down the pony.
He did a 3 flip.
Let's see who has a race.
3 flippers.
Let's have these guys have a race. Okay, so it's Megalodon and Gravedigger. They stumbled over each other. But Gravedigger won.